If you have ever typed, "make money online," into YouTube, you've probably been hit with ads promising easy riches while you sleep. The phrase, passive income, gets thrown around like magic. But here is the truth. In 2025, some passive income ideas really work, while others are nothing but scams waiting to empty your wallet. First, let's get clear. Passive income does not mean do nothing and get rich. Real passive income usually requires work up front, sometimes years of it, before it pays off. After that, it can generate cash with less effort, but it's never truly effortless. So, what actually works today? Dividend stocks and ETFs. Investing in companies that pay dividends is one of the oldest and most reliable forms of passive income. It is not flashy, but it works. Real estate. Rental properties or REITs can generate steady monthly income. In 2025, short-term rentals like Airbnb are still profitable in the right markets. Digital products. E-books, online courses, and templates continue to sell worldwide. You create it once, and if it solves a problem, it can keep earning. YouTube and content creation. Yes, it takes time to grow, but once a channel reaches scale, ad revenue and sponsorships become passive streams. Now, let's expose the scams. Get-rich-quick schemes. If someone promises you thousands of dollars overnight with no skills, run. Crypto Ponzi projects. While Bitcoin and Ethereum remain legitimate investments, many small altcoins and flashy new projects are mostly nothing but pump and dump scams. Fake artificial intelligence money machines. Right now, scammers are using artificial intelligence hype to sell automated trading bots, or artificial intelligence side hustles, that guarantee profits. Most of these collapse within months. Here are 3 red flags that should instantly set off alarms. 1. Promises of guaranteed returns. Real investing always carries risk. 2. Pressure to invest quickly. Scammers want you to act before you think. 3. Lack of transparency. If you can't clearly explain how the business makes money, it is probably not real. So how do you build passive income that lasts? The key is to choose something aligned with your skills and financial situation. If you have capital, investing in ETFs or real estate makes sense. If you have knowledge, build a course or write a book. If you have time, content creation can be your long game. The common thread is patience. True passive income grows slowly at first, then compounds over time. So here's the truth: passive income in 2025 is real, but it's not magic. The scams will always try to sell you shortcuts, but the proven methods remain the same: investing wisely, building assets, and playing the long game. If you found this helpful, subscribe now, because in our next video, we're diving into another very fascinating topic on personal finance.